Ladies and gentlemen, mucharangarire regore rakafa Ginimbi. May his soul rest in eternal peace. I want to remind you of a prophet whose name is Prophet Advocate Joshua. He gave a prophecy 2 months before. He actually gave it to me firstly, detailing the death of Ginimbi, how it was going to happen, and when it was going to happen. Of course, efforts were made to reach out to Ginimbi, efforts were made to reach out to his friends, but hapana chakabuda, it was of zvaienda mumadeaf ears. But the prophet had the message for him, which if it was delivered and if they had given nzeve yavo kuti rega timboteerera kuti zviri kunzi chini muprofita uyu, maybe Ginimbi would still be alive today. But may his soul rest in peace. And you still remember also he gave a prophecy concerning anonzi Aguero, anotamba bhora Aguero. Achiri kutotamba bhora ari fit, vakaprofita kuti ndiri kuona something zviri kuitika, something muutano hwake. And in less than 12 months, Aguero was diagnosed nekunzi achakwanisa kutamba bhora what because of my health conditions. The reason why I'm saying this is to remind you of the impeccable record yavo iri perfect in terms of prophecy. Uyu muprofita asati ambopotsa. I've known him, he's very young, and vanika drama kwavanoita because the spiritual father wavo the prophet passion, so you can expect that. But this prophet, he is very accurate and he is on point. Takatanga kuvaziva in 2021 ndo patakatanga kunovatora muofisi mavo vachitora maprophecy. His name is Prophet Advocate Joshua. He is a prophet and then an advocate of the law. He is an advocate of the higher courts in Zimbabwe. Ndo akamirirana na King Solomon pavainzi ana King Solomon wapara mhosva. And you might not know, pamwe ndo varutondimirira panyaya yangu iri kuitika nemuprofita wenhema. This is Prophet Advocate Joshua. I want to show you a video here where he is inviting you to a crusade yavari kuita with Prophet Passion ku Westgate panonzi pa the Grand Fusion. It's his complex yavakavaka yechurch panonzi pa Grand Fusion pa 259 Centon Westgate. Ikutanga musi weFriday 30 May kubva 5 to 8 p.m, Saturday 31 May, and Sunday inenge ya the 1st of June. So it's a soul-winning crusade. Be invited. Post this up screen for more details so that you can RSVP. And with that, we are out.
So, you look at marriage in the context of it being a God-given gift. All right? And you also look at it in the context of it being a union that God blesses. And for most men, they will ask about that, ask about this, ask about this. And you know, very soon we're going to be having our crusade, the Power Crusade, at our own Granvillian, stand number 2059, Centon Westgate. 3 days of power-packed miracles. And I can stand before anybody and say, I have never cheated on my wife, not even one day. Not even one day. One day. I have never done it. If you have done it, it is you. I even posted it on Facebook yesterday and I said, if you have got evidence that I ever cheated on my wife, bring it, post it on social media. If you have got pictures, bring them out. I've seen others. You see, I saw the other young man, a musician, the other time, he was talking about a prophet. This guy does this. Me, no. Say, no, ma'am. I can stand even before 1,000 men now and say, I have never done it. I've never sinned against my wife. Not even one day. And I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it. I'm guaranteed of heaven. And I can teach you how not to do it. This is the best lesson that I can give you, how not to do it. All right? So I'm glad. This is me just talking about we have got the crusade which is upcoming. So let's do it. I have never even a single day texted a woman. Not even a hi. I've never done it. So if you're a man and you do it, you can come to me so that I teach you how not to do it. Because I've never done it. So God bless you. We'll meet again.